Welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap Epicenter and AGORACOM TV, a daily fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can probably profit from them. Maybe even find your next great small cap investments. Monday, May the 7th. I've got 3 press releases for you. First off, today's show is being brought to you by Sonomax, the best hearing technology company in the world, SHH, on the TSX Venture exchange. Don't take my word for it. Go to their profile on AGORACOM and take a look at why Sonomax is a great company. They got the Fortune 500 companies, clients to back it up. Matter of fact, they're a company out of Quebec, and Quebec seems to be dominating the news today. First up, Focus Metals. This isn't a AGORACOM sponsor. We always disclose that, and we don't talk about AGORACOM client news unless it stands on its own 2 feet. Focus Metals, FMS on the TSX Venture exchange, put out what I have to call significant news today. They announced that along with Hydro-Quebec's world-leading research institute, IREC, I-R-E-Q, they've signed a licensing agreement enabling Focus Metals to develop a graphite anode production facility for lithium-ion batteries. The facility is going to be Focus-owned, and it'll transform first production graphite sourced from Focus's Lac Knife, Quebec high-grade deposit to battery-grade material. A lot of information here that you should take a look at, but I always love taking excerpts from the CEOs. In this case, Focus Metals President CEO Gary Economou, fellow Greek, one of the smartest guys in the small cap space, and especially in the graphite space, says the new purification facility will be designed to produce 15,000 tons of spherical battery-grade flake graphite at peak by 2015. Whereas the anode production facility will be designed to produce up to 5,000 tons of anodes. The exact costs of the facilities, the financing still hasn't been determined yet. They got to do the positive economic, well, they got to do an economic analysis. They're assuming it's going to be positive, but we got to wait until that comes out. IREC, on their side, will receive a licensing fee. They'll be paid in cash over a 3-year period. The company says it represents less than 10% of the current working capital, so it's not onerous, as well as a royalty fee based on a percentage of future sales. Gary also went on to say, Mr. Economou also went on to say, this deal is going to leave Focus Metals well positioned to secure its place as a quality supplier to the fast-growing lithium battery manufacturing sector. That's for sure. If you don't know about Focus Metals, they're the owner of the undisputed highest-grade technology graphite resource in the world, 16%. They closed on Friday at 97 cents. This morning they're up already right at the open. 6 cents to $1.03 on 170,000 shares. That's up about 6.2%. Their 52-week range is 54 on the high and $1.30. 54 on the low. Sorry, $1.33 on the high. Great news. Staying with our Quebec theme, and again another AGORACOM sponsor. Sometimes it happens; it comes in bunches. Our good friends over at Golden Hope Mines trades on the Venture under the stock symbol GNH. They announced that they intersected 25 meters of 2.06 grams ton of gold and 8 meters of 2.26 grams ton of gold near surface, which is very important. It's at their Bellechasse-Timmins project in Quebec. The company is calling these significant drill results, and I'm going to talk here about some of the significant near-surface vertical depth results. Go take a look at all of them because there are a lot of them in there, but I also picked off 8 meters of 2.26 grams per ton at 137 meters from surface. In another hole, included in that one was 5 meters of 9.2 grams ton of gold, at 42 meters from surface. They also had 6 meters of 3.53 grams, 3 meters of 12.63, including 1 meter of 37.6 grams ton of gold, 117 meters from surface. So these are very, now you know why the company's calling these significant. But as always, don't take the company's word for it. Don't even take ours. Assume we're horribly conflicted. Go do your due diligence. They closed on Friday 16.5 cents. They're trading flat right now at 111,000 shares, so good volume off the bat. 32.5 on their 52-week high, 10 cents on the low, market cap $21 million. And finally here, out of China, China Green Agriculture, CGA, put out their 3rd quarter and their 9-month numbers. Unbelievable. They produce a variety of compound fertilizers and agricultural products in China. Let's go to the 9-month. I got Q3, but let's go into 9-month here. Sales $160 million. That's up 34%. Net income just under $31 million. That's up 31%. Diluted earnings per share $1.15. That's up 28.5%. That's important because right now the company's trading at $4.14. So even after 3 quarters let alone another quarter that's going to come in. If you extrapolate, you're probably going to get another 38 cents or so, close to 40 cents in earnings. But even if you leave it at this, the company's trading less than 3 times earnings. If they bring in that, that quarter in line with what they've done so far, they're going to be trading closer to 2.5 times earnings. So that's part of the baby being thrown out the bathwater theme that I've talked about in China. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. If you look for more great small cap resource company news and you watch this on Globe Investor, then look below me or to the left of me to see the companies we've covered over the past few days. Otherwise, if you're not already there, get to the front page of AGORACOM, watch the show on a daily basis, take a look at the best headlines of all small cap companies to my right, and get into our marketplace and discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have an amazing day. See you tomorrow.